We are at the National Hardware Show looking at a lot of the cool new things in 2015, and this is one of them you need to check out. We are looking at the Core Power Lock system, and I have got Lincoln to tell us more about this. This could be considered revolutionary. Am I going too far by saying that?
No, absolutely not. Actually, we've used a high power density electric motor that allows us to get to gas-like performance in an electric product. So it truly is revolutionary.
Yeah, these definitely look neat. I've been hearing people talk about them, and they're really impressed with them. So tell us more.
We basically are using printed circuit boards instead of wire windings to develop torque. So in a much smaller package, and you'll see on all the attachments, the motor, in a much smaller motor package, we're able to give you gas-like torque and runtime. So it really is focused on the motor. You know, we are using lithium batteries, but we're able to use that energy from those batteries a lot more efficiently than your traditional wire-wound motors that you'll see on other battery-powered product.
So as I'm looking up at the head of the unit, we'll call it, yep, that would be traditionally where the motor is. Are you saying that what I'm looking at right now isn't the motor?
Correct. That's actually the brain. We use the back end to actually communicate electronically with each of the attachments, and it runs a program for the motor that's on each one of the attachments specific to that attachment. So it recognizes if you have a trimmer, a blower, or a hedge trimmer attached, and runs the program to make that particular piece of equipment run the most efficiently.
So as we're looking right now at a hedge trimmer,
yep,
and right there, that is the motor that runs the whole
Correct.
thing? Very nice. Wow, that is small and compact. Now, how does this relate weight-wise then to maybe a traditional gas unit?
We're typically lighter than a gas unit. We have a little bit of weight in a battery, but we're typically a pound or two lighter than a gas unit.
And the motor, you've got one right there. Let's take a closer look at that.
So again, I'll turn it that way towards you. The motor basically is comprised of a couple of housings, magnets that typically reside on these rotors, and a printed circuit board that drives the whole thing.
Wow, and that's got the power to go and run a trimmer or a hedge trimmer. Wow, that's awesome.
Absolutely. And it's been scaled up to thousands of horsepower actually for other applications using the same exact technology.
Now, Lincoln, what you've got there? Is that the battery to the system?
This is. We refer to it as a power cell because we're able to get a lot of energy out of this particular lithium battery. And we want to steer people's minds away from traditional underperforming battery-powered equipment. So it is lithium-based, but it allows you to deliver the power you need to get the gas-like performance we talked about.
Now, what kind of a runtime am I going to have, say, if I'm doing just some trimming around the yard with a grass trimmer?
So we benchmark a tank of gas. So basically, everybody knows that, how long they get out of a tank of gas. It's typically adequate. It's enough to get their lawn done. So we benchmark that for every one of our products.
Now, Lincoln, we've got 3 different options right here. Now, are there more options available or more things coming?
There are a lot of products in development, actually. We are really ramping up our product development efforts over the next year and a half and expect to launch a whole suite of new products and additional products in lawnmowers, moving into edgers, chainsaws, and pole saws. So we'll be offering a full line over the next probably year and a half.
Wow, that sounds just incredible. If people would like to find out more information, where can they go to check these out?
You can go to coreoutdoorpower.com.
Thank you, Lincoln. We are at the National Hardware Show.